We wandered lost beneath the lights. I felt
Back when I
small
was in
in
fourth
the
year high school,
galaxy.
we were told to make our
It
autobiography
was one of
and write
those
down how we
familiar
envision our
nights.
future to be. I
felt
was not in a
big with
relationship
you
at that
next to
time,
me.
so what I wrote there is that my
Oh
future
my,
husband
oh
will be
my,
someone I
I
will meet in the
think
office
that
where I will work
I
after
am
college. After 10 years, our paths crossed in the company where we both work. You were my ultimate crush back then. I didn't get the chance to talk or work with you because you're from a different team. But seeing and admiring you from afar is already enough to make me feel my day is complete.
To my Clarissa, the love of my life, my confidant since 2012, and the one who has been both my best friend and now eternal partner. The day has finally come that we become one. A moment I've yearned for since the day I first laid eyes
There's
on you.
something I need to say, but I feel too afraid.
Deep inside me, I felt that I'm not the right girl for you. However, an opportunity came when I almost gave up on you. I got the chance to be close with your teammates, and that's where we started talking and bonding until we confessed that you also like me even before we met.
I can still recall how I used to just look at you. You began as a simple office crush that quickly transformed into something special. I remember those early moments, especially that lunch over a box of yellow cab pizza 11 years ago. An unassuming meal that ignited the spark of something truly extraordinary in our lives.
So, I'm happy that I'm witnessing today yung union nila ni Paolo. Narinig niyo naman kanina, crush ni Risa si Paolo. So, I was actually the one who added Paolo sa Facebook so we can stalk Paolo.
I thought that day was the best one in my life. Biruin mo yung taong gusto mo, gusto ka rin at matagal na. Pero may mas hihigit pa pala doon. After another 10 years, here we are now.
Cause you are gold, you are all I see. You are aurum scarce and meant for kings. And I will wait if it's time you need. What I see in you, I hope you find in me. Cause you are gold, gold.
Risa,
You are
you're so wonderful tonight. Napakaganda mo. Si Risa, napakabait na bata nito. Una ko pa lang siyang makita, kampante na yung loob ko na sana. Sabi ko, ito na yung makatuluyan ni Paolo. Kaya kaninang naglalakad siya sa simbahan, nai-imagine ko na parang ako na yung daddy niya na naluluha ako talaga. Dahil siguro sa tuwa. Sa tuwa at nagkatali puso na silang dalawa. No?
Darling, stay in my head tonight. I feel the cool spring breeze and the full moonlight. I've been away so long.
Risa has been my
Feels like a
constant,
lifetime gone.
ano ba, go-to person. She's been my walking diary, as in everything and anything under the sun. Sinasabi ko kay Risa, I'm really thankful. Kasi,
And when I have to leave, I hope you come.
kasi Risa is always there. Not only during happy times, but also with difficult times. Every milestone, nandun siya.
Oh, the less we know. We can leave it or stay. We could run and hide. We can lose ourselves in the long lost nights, but we can't
Paolo,
let
anak.
go of the feelings that we hold.
Nangisirang ka sa mundong ito,
However near, however
laking tuwa ng
far, I'll
magulang mo.
take your love
Maupo ka, maupo ka.
wherever we are.
Laking tuwa kasi siyempre siya yung bunso namin, lalaki.
You know, Pao, it feels like just yesterday. Nung hinatak mo yung upuan ko nung transfer ako ng grade 5 at nasaldak po ako sa classroom. Ganyan po kabait na bata si Paolo, kaya hindi ko po akalain na magiging magkabarkada po kami. But on a more serious note, Paolo is a good friend. And definitely a good man.
Hindi ko makalimutan tuwing Easter Sunday, ang aming barkada ng mga sakristan, we bike together hanggang madaling araw. You remember that? Bakit ko po binabanggit yung mga bagay na ito? Paolo is a good leader for us.
Maraming salamat anak sa mahaba nating panahon ng pagsasama. Binigyan mo kami ng karangalan. We're so proud of you.
Gusto ko magkulak naman sa akin, huwag lang sa bago mong pamilyang nasamahan. At saka nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil talaga yung hiling ko na ideal man na para sa iyo, natagpuan ko. Kaya ang Diyos patuloy na tinutugon ang dalangin ko para sa iyo.
Just stay safe in the four walls. We can try to go places that no one's gone, but the older we grow, the less we can leave it a stay, we can run it high, we can lose ourselves in the long lost nights, but we can't let go of the feelings that we hold. However far, I'll take your love wherever we are.
Here we are, Lisa, marrying her officer. So sabi nga din sa theme song nila na Forevermore, you were just a dream that I once knew. And now, congratulations and best wishes, Lisa and Paolo. This is one dream come true and nandito kami para sa inyo.
Umulan lang pero passing day lang naman po eh. Mamaya hapon.
We should be happy, glad, and joyful. This is a very memorable for Paolo and Risa. Today is their special day, a grace-filled event. It is their wedding. All of us, let us all smile and be relaxed. Wala pong iyak, mahirap mag-retouch. Risa, do you take Paolo here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, Bishop.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, Bishop.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, Bishop.
Paolo, do you take Risa here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, Bishop.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, Bishop.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, Bishop.
Your love of journey to one heart, one life, and one home begins. God brought you together. God will that you'll be for her, and you are for him alone. You now live and exist for one another, and we are so happy for you.
Maging tapat kayo sa isa't isa because married life is the all of holiness din na hindi alam ng karamihan. Kabanalan din ang makasal, ngunit kung ikay tapat sa iyong pinangako sa kasal.
At kung lagi ang Panginoon Diyos ay nakakapagitan sa inyo, life will be very easy, no? Kasi bilang mag-asawa, no, sabi nga nila, no, dapat na mamagitan ng Diyos sa inyong relasyon. Siya makakatulong ng lahat sa iyong mga problema. Kaya huwag niyong kalilimutan siya. No?
Sana nakita mo sa amin ng mami mo yung sa 35 years namin pagsasama. I-relate mo sana sa iyo o ipasa mo kay Risa kung ano yung nakita mo sa amin. Maging mabait ka kay Risa at sana si Risa, siya na yung swerte mo para masakay ka na sa commercial airline.
Kanina ay nasaksihan natin kung paano sila nagsumpaan sa harap ng altar. At sila ang katibayan. Ang Panginoon Diyos ay talagang pag-ibig. Ano? Gusto ko lang tanong sa kanila kung talagang mahal niyo ba ang bawat isa?
Super.
Super daw na mahal naman.
I know that we don't have to worry anymore because you have finally found the person whom you will spend the rest of your life with. The person whom you can openly share your secrets and struggles with. The person who will be with you through all the ups and downs. Yung taong sasamahan ka at hindi ka iiwan, talikuran ka man ng mundo, gaano man kabigat ito. And we are happy, it's you, Risa.
Thank God, ito na. Officially, you may now call me Dad. Kasi until kanina nagpipicture taking, Tito Henry ng Tito Henry. Sabi ko, Daddy muna ako ngayon. Thank you so much. Proud kami na kayong dalawa ni Paula ni Katuluyan.
You're very beautiful tonight. Behind this pretty face is a very beautiful soul. No wonder Paolo fell in love with this beautiful woman. So in behalf of the squad, we are very happy for you, Paolo and Risa. We wish you both nothing but happiness and a home full of blessings, love, and understanding for your future life together.
So today, I think we are witnessing this another milestone in your relationship. So we are very happy to witness this in front of your loved ones. And cheers to more memories together with you both. And may God bless your marriage.
Lahat ng susunod niyo pang milestone, whenever happy, sad, para sa inyo. Not only me, but also our group of friends. And to everyone, to more dreams na magkakatotoo pa para sa couple na ito.
Fast forward to today. We exchange vows with our families, relatives, and friends as our witnesses. Throughout our time together, I've seen every side of you. The good, the not so good, and everything in between. I love you at your best and hold you even closer at your worst.
You never tried to change me, and that made me feel that everything about me, may it be good or bad, is something that you want forever. My doubts about myself faded, and now I can confidently say that I'm the right one. Paolo, I consider you as the greatest blessing I received from God, and I vow to keep and protect this relationship that we have built for a long time. And to be patient and understanding, even if things didn't go as planned or how we wanted it to be. I will be generous as well with giving my time for you despite the busy schedules and give you space for yourself. I will work hard, not only for myself, but also for you and the family that we will build. I will support your endeavors and trust that everything will be for your own good and for our future life.
Ups and downs, just as you stood by me. You know I'm not one to be easily convinced to do things, but I promise to sing and dance for you without a care in the world, even if I look a little silly. All because it brings a smile to your face.
I will not try to change you, because for me, you're more than enough. I know you also have many roles: a son, a family member, mentor, and a friend. I will not take that away from you. As your wife, I will also love and respect those people who are dear to you.
From this moment on, I'm committing to a life that's not just about me, but about us. You are in my every thought, my every dream, and my every hope. I once read a quote that said, as humans, we often have unending desires. As soon as we obtain what we want, we immediately yearn for something else. I wanted you from the moment I first laid eyes on you. And for over a decade, that desire hasn't moved. I pray to the Lord that He blesses me with the gift of wanting you for 60 years more. I look forward to spending each moment with you by my side. Congratulations for becoming my missus. I love you.
Thank you for everything, Pao. Now that we have heroes in our lives, I'm very excited for everything that God has in store for us. I may no longer have the top priority project that I need after, but I'm glad that I get to bring you right here with my mind. Now it's I love you so much, sister.
Parts of us were left behind. Still, the best is yet to come.